Hello friends, I'm recording this video to explain different pockets of YEDA Sector 20. YEDA stands for Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority. So just like Noida, we have YEDA. Now on Google Maps, before we want to invest or purchase a plot for our personal use, we all want to see कि कहाँ पे हमारा plot होने वाला है. So it's not very clearly visible on Google Maps. The best explanation so far I found on a YouTube video is this, which is not up to scale, but still this has done a good job. So this is a 100-meter wide road which divides Sector 18 and Sector 20. One important thing which is visible on this map, that pocket I and pocket J are sandwiched between other pockets of Sector 18. Even if you look on the YEDA map, it says I and J in Sector 18. So I'll not cover I and J, and I'll cover whatever is towards the right of this 100-meter wide road. So we'll try to see how it looks exactly on Google Map, all these pockets of Sector 20. So this is that dividing road. Right now the map is facing north is towards the top and south is on the bottom. As a usual map. So this is Yamuna Expressway, this is the side going towards Noida, and this is the bottom towards going towards Agra. So direction wise you can get an idea. So when coming from Noida to Agra, this YEDA Authority Sector 20 is on your left hand side. So this is that 100-meter wide road which enters and divides Sector 18 and Sector 20. This is the next entrance, which is I think the entrance from the center of Sector 20, and this is the third entrance which is towards the end of Sector 20, and end is relative, so when we are coming from Noida side. So nothing wrong in this entrance as well, because after this we have Sector 21, which is Film City, and if not Film City, any other industrial institutional sector kind of thing. So the plots on this road, I think they are good because this is a quite wide road. So any future development, because it's a 100-meter wide road, can happen on this road, and it's a dividing road between 18 and 20. So the plots on these roads, I feel, could have a good commercial value. If not commercial, then semi-commercial, or you are close to a bazaar market, those kind of things. This entrance is primarily will actually explain from here only, because this is going to be the posh entrance of Sector 20. As you can see, pocket A is 4,000 square meter plots only, and I checked with the broker. As per them, these are not industrial plots, these are residential plots. So this is really big size plots. Then pocket B is 2,000 square meters, and pocket C, D and E all are 1,000 square meters. So the entrance coming between A and B, the main entrance to Sector 20, starts with really big size plots. Now those who are interested in 500 square meters, all the 500 square meters are in this area behind the freshwater canal. I don't know if it is a freshwater canal or a drain, and this could be a little area of concern for people. So 300 square meter is also not small from residential point of view, and if you want to stay away from the canal, then you can choose these pockets. Particularly if you're looking in 300, then F, G and H are good in my opinion. They are also on this 100-meter wide road, and you don't have to cross the drain, right? You are living between Sector 18 and Sector 20. If you have to go with 500, then I think drain obviously could be a psychological barrier, because this road is also quite wide. I think this is 60-meter wide road. So it's, if this one is 100 meter, then this one is also not small. So these two, and this one is 45-meter wide road. So they are also not small roads, and I think there will be a proper bridge over this canal here. Coming to 500, you can see Q, R, S, T, U. These are 500. So in 300, and the good thing about seeing it on Google Maps before you are going to purchase, you can see if there is a village adjacent to it. So you can see I don't like pocket N and pocket P that much. That's my personal preference, because it is sandwiched between YEDA and existing villages. But you can see pocket Q is surrounded by all residential areas, pocket R is surrounded by all residential areas, pocket T is also surrounded by residential area, and sector 21 on this side. Obviously A and B are very good. So if you have to choose in 500, I think Q, R and T are very good. If you have to go for 300 square meter, then I think F, G and H are very good. Obviously, if anybody is looking for bigger plots, they are the main entrance of sector 20 and they are obviously very posh in themselves. So thanks a lot. Do like the video if it helps you, and I will post the link of image as well in the description below. So just in case if you need it for your reference, or if anybody want to make a better video, they can copy that image from there. Thank you. And in addition to the image which I talked about, I also have this PDF map of entire sector 18 and sector 20. So I'll also post the link of this map which you can use. I think it should be a handy resource. So just refer the description of the video below and you will find the link of this map. Thank you.